Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. Simply click on Start Lab and open the console incognito window. Now from here, click on this button to activate your Cloud Shell. Let me change the appearance. Also do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now click on Continue. After that, just authorize yourself. Now come to the lab instruction. Come to task number 1. From here, first of all, let's clone the file. Paste, hit enter. Let me increase the text size. Now after that, just change the directory and add some permissions. Okay, all these things are done. Now let's create the file. Now click on Open Editor. Now from here, just click on this file folder, and from here just come to main.tf file. Now carefully copy these contents, paste over here, update your student ID over here, username, and your project ID over here. Both these things are done. Simply click on File and just save it. Now from here, click on this Policies, Constant, IAM. Now scroll down a bit. From here, just select this Qwiklabs.net and paste over here. Add a space. Once it is done, File, Save. Where I found this, task number 2. Now simply come above, run the init command. Open terminal, run the init command. This is done. Now run the plan command. Now run the conversion command. Let's run it to install the Google SDK tools. Just type Y, hit enter. This is also done. After that, what we need to do, let's run this command. It is also done. After that, what we need to do, we need to come over here and just run this command. Let's see. It's granting the permissions over here and it's done. Now let's check the score. So finally we completed the lab very easily. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.